Good morning, people. I forgot to upload yesterday. Kasi nga,
see, look at them fucking.
ang ganda ng view.
See how they do the fucking chickens and that?
No effort. I'm vlogging this.
Love and it hurts.
Sobrang ganda ng view. Kaya gusto kong papuntang norte palagi. Okay, third day of our gym. And how you feel?
Not good, mate.
Pain.
Very sore.
Sore.
I'll see you in 2 weeks.
No pain, no gain. Remember that. So we have to get up early. 5 o'clock. Prepare everything, kids and everything. Drop off kids and straight to the gym. Oh, very good. At yung kanyang food.
You watch. We'll fuck it up for a day or 2 and then that's it. We're back to square one.
No, we're not doing it. We have to do it. We already done it, so we have to go.
Anyway.
Ang kanyang food ay in the morning, warm water lang muna kami. Wala kaming ibang iti-take, yun lang. Warm water. Tapos straight to the gym. Ang next food namin ay 11 o'clock. 11 a.m. Pero very light pa din. Oatmeal lang. Oatmeal and what else? Oatmeal with nuts, something like that. And water again. Second meal will be 12. Lunch.
No.
Ay, 2 o'clock pala after 11. 2 o'clock. That's the lunch. So, yun lang. Parang kamao lang na meat na chicken breast or something. Steam or grilled or air fryer na. Hindi pwedeng magprito. Yun lang. So, tignan natin
Did you
kung...
take out chicken? You did?
Tignan natin kung hanggang kailan magsusurvive ang aking husband. Alright, nandito na naman tayo sa favorite spot. The mountain.
Mama, how much do you reckon that fucking property would be?
Maybe 20 million.
Really? Nah.
That's a commercial area.
It's not a commercial area.
That is commercial. That's along the road. That's not this farm.
Is that Castellas or
Castillejos still. We are now at San Antonio. Ang ganda, puro farm dito. Puro green, may baka pa. May kalabaw. Every day ko kayong i-tutour sa amin. Ayan na naman yung bahay na okay, the next will be the gym. Hindi ko pa kayo nasama sa gym pala sa loob kung paano kami tinitraining ng kanyang coach. Tatanong ko kung pwede mamaya. Alright, we're here. It's something like that. Alright, welcome. Transform your body. Transform your life.
Check namin mamaya kung ano.
Good morning. Let's do this. Konting pasilitsay. Boxing, I finished this 3 sets. 1 p.m. to 5:30. They're closed.
See if you can grab some spinach. Let's go.
Okay, just park.
Let's go.
Park. They are closed. Green Garden. Let's buy fresh vegetables. Green Garden. Hello! Morning! Ayan ang nabili. Fresh na bayabas, lettuce, kangkong, at spinach. Mamaya pa daw yung pipino. Sayang naman. Hindi namin na ano. Ano yan? That's you can put in the ano? Ayan, yun doon nila ginagrow yung mga kanilang mga gulay. Ayan. Pwedeng pumunta doon. Sila ate yung taga-repack.
What's this?
That's a house. Really nice house. Owner of a Green Garden. Ang ganda ng bahay ni Green Garden. Sobrang ganda. At to pa another one. Connected. Tingnan mo ang Green Garden. They are a Taiwanese.
What?
Taiwan. They're from Taiwan. Green Garden. Your seatbelt, daddy. May baka. Good thing about here is we only 3 minutes away from the garden, from Green Garden, so we can buy fresh vegetables. And saka, yan, actually before they are giving customers to grab your own guava. Mas bigger size dito before. Bigger size of this. Pick your own guava and then you go and pay. Ayan. Fresh na fresh from the guava tree. Eh ngayon, nakapitas na.
What's guava taste like?
Masarap. I'll let you to try it later. But it's nicer when you dip it with salt, like little salt.
Eggs.
Okay. Ayan ang aming view. Ayun, doon kami sa may mountain na yun. Yun yung mountain na nakikita nyo every morning ko. Doon kami sa harap noon nakatira. But your seatbelt is... Hinalo ko yung spinach sa itlog. Ginawa kong omelette. Kasi ayoko nga ng walang lasa. Hayaan mo na si Jay ng walang lasa. Bye! Bumili kami ng avocado. 2 kilo para kay daddy. Sakto. Kasi ito yung aming nakalagay sa aming sa aming diet. Avocado. Mahal yan sa palengke. Nagbili ako nung nakaraan 100 a kilo. 100 pa? Oo. 100 a kilo. Dito 50 a kilo. Kasi meron silang puno.
Ilan? Sarap? Isa lang din?
Sarap. Ang sarap.
Ito masarap ni Carla.
Oo. Alam ko naman pag si Kuya
Oo.
Tawag ni Carla Sige nga.
Ay, gusto ko yung pula.
Okay naman na yung...
Meron bang kulay?
Sarap.
Yung isa maputla. Pula. Pag ang pula na yun.
Nakita ka na mutla.
Ibig sabihin ano na yan? Double siya.
Everything yan. Try to...
Busy. Bagay para sa atay.
Ang pinagdulot sa pag-ibig ko. Uy, Jimmy lang talaga malakas. Jimmy lang. Mabuhay kami lang! Puro kang ganyan Hindi ka naman umaatin.
Arabic sweets. Ano nakuha mo? Ang sarap no, ano yung yung grapes nila. Ang tamis na.
Pogan.
Ayan, naging favorite na niya. Oh.
Pogan.
Ang dami na. Nasa ano na. Cemetery na.
Masasawa ka lang din yan pag nandun ka na sa Arabic country. Iwas ang pulutan. Ayun no? Beautiful in my eyes.
Beautiful in my eyes. That you will always grow evermore in my eyes. Hey!
Cheers! 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 Kampai! Kampai!
I miss you.
When the time comes, beautiful in my eyes. And the next years will show.
Ano talaga?
In my eyes, passing years will show that you will always grow ever more beautiful.
Despedida party ni Ate Angel.